I'm here at Kiperts Tractor Sales, and I'm here to show you the 1736. Alright, so on this 1736, we're going to have a hydrostatic transmission. We're going to have two pedals, one for forward, one for back. We're going to have 3 speed settings. We're going to have the turtle, the snail, and the rabbit. We're going to have some adjusted dials over there to make sure we can find the reactive speed to either go fast or slow for front end loading work. We got a 1,300 pound lift capacity on this sucker. This thing's going to be able to lift anything you need, but still going to be small enough you can fit in the garage. How many of you guys like to stress and strain over changing out a bucket? We don't. That's why we provide the skid steer attachment on the front of the 1736. Nobody wants to have to manhandle a bucket around, and it opens up your options for more implements down the road. Our friends at Massey Ferguson understand that when we're hooking up to implements, sometimes we're not going to be spot on every time. That's why they gave us these telescoping arms back here for our 3-point system. Easier, more reliable to make sure that when you back up to your implement that you're going to get hooked up to it without having to get back onto your tractor. Here at Kiperts, we understand that our tractors are going to go be doing work. That's why we provide them with a 5-year powertrain warranty and a 1-year warranty on our loaders and a 2-year warranty from bucket to 3-point. This is going to be the perfect tractor for you to take home. You price it out and look at the math here, it's going to be less than a bag of peanuts and a pop a day.